ContractHub is an enterprise-level contract management platform designed to replace your current cumbersome process and help you organize, discover, and manage your documents. If you're tired of wasting valuable time and constantly playing rounds of email tag to collect e-signatures from your clients can get frustrating fast. And since you're creating contracts from scratch and managing them with random tools that offer limited security, you're dealing with a lot of complicated moving parts. You need an enterprise-level contract management platform that simplifies the entire process for your small business. Sign off on ContractHub. Track the status of all your documents and set up custom access permissions for your senders and approvers. Create and send documents to collect e-signatures and approvals from clients, contractors, or new employees. What is ContractHub? ContractHub is an enterprise-level contract management platform for creating, signing, and organizing e-documents. Digitize your document process. Contract management simplified. ContractHub helps teams generate, approve, e-sign, and manage documents about 80% faster. Turbocharge your sales organization. Provide teams with an e-signature platform, standard templates and workflows that integrate everyone from company counsel to management. Empower legal teams. Empower your team to generate agreements without changes to sensitive legal requirements. Improve efficiency by limiting review to key, predefined contract terms. Unlimited e-signature standard. Impress customers. Offer customers and clients a simple, error-free process with their own real-time dashboard. Secure cloud storage. We keep your documents secure using top-of-the-art security and the world's most trusted data centers owned by Amazon. Real-time backups. With real-time backups across 6 individual data centers located on 2 continents. Data rooms. Create your own data room with properly coded documents. With ContractHub, you can upload and collect all your e-signatures in one place. That way, your team can draft, sign, and approve important documents stress-free. You'll be able to create and send unlimited contracts to clients, contractors, or new employees. For extra security, you can even assign team member and client roles limited access to confidential e-paperwork. Using ContractHub's dashboard, you can monitor the status of all your documents, including delivery timestamps. Want extra visibility? Anyone who manages your business can track document activity in real time across all teams. Plus, team members with access to ContractHub can streamline the entire contract management process from drafting to signing and storing everything. That means you'll be able to send contracts and collect one-click signatures without bogging down your inbox or overwhelming your staff. This platform also lets you store documents and e-signatures securely, keeping them organized in separate folders. ContractHub can streamline the entire contract management process, from drafting to signing and storing everything. That means you'll be able to send contracts and collect one-click signatures without bogging down your inbox or overwhelming your staff. This platform also lets you store document and e-signatures, keeping them organized in separate folders. Best of all, you can generate contracts with predefined terms by creating templates tailored to your company's legal requirements. Just drag and drop fields into your documents to collect the info you need or modify one of the pre-made templates. To get started, you can even request a template that works for your business. The ContractHub team uploads new templates every week. Best of all, you can generate contracts with predefined terms by creating templates tailored to your company's legal requirements. Just drag and drop fields into your documents to collect the info you need, or modify one of the pre-made templates to get started. You can even request a template that works for your business. The ContractHub team uploads new templates every week. ContractHub plans and features. Use an enterprise-level contract management platform to generate, sign, and store documents. Lifetime access to ContractHub. All future Small Business Plus plan updates. 60-day money-back guarantee. Unlimited documents. Unlimited signatures. Search, sort, and report. Document management. Team workflows. Signing e-documents is supposed to simplify things, not throw the biggest wrench in your daily workflow. Good thing ContractHub can centralize your contract management process, from template creation and digital delivery to secure storage. Why are you late? Get lifetime access to ContractHub today. One-time purchase of $39 only.